Hello, this is Frederic and Mosaic Blues. Today we are going to trace borderlines between areas of different colors to create a mosaic model. So this is the image we had originally. This is the model we created last time. What we are going to do is this here, create the red borderlines between the different areas, and here is a picture of just the borderlines without the grayscale background. One important thing we have to do is use a color that is easy to see, because if you trace black borderlines between two different gray areas of different nuances of gray, it's very difficult to see. So we are going to use red that shows very well between different grays. So here is our original grayscale image we are going to work from. The first thing to do is make sure we can draw in color. So we go to our image menu, click on mode, and here we have three options here: RGB, grayscale, indexed. And we make sure to select the RGB option. RGB means red, green and blue, and this will allow us to draw in color on this picture. Now we are going to select the red color for our borderlines. We are going to tell GIMP, I want you to draw in red. So we go to the GIMP toolbox, we go tools here and toolbox, which brings this long box here that we have here, and we go to the bottom of the toolbox here. See these two little boxes here. We click on the top one. It brings up another window called change foreground color, and here we are going to select red. So here we have red preselected here. I click on this red is displayed here. I click on OK. So now my GIMP knows I want it to draw red lines. So the first thing we are going to do is draw the border lines between around the white areas. Let me see if I can increase the size here. Yeah, that's pretty good. We're going to see better with that. So we go to select here and by color, and we are going to click on the white area here, and you can see that you have a blinking lines around all the areas of white colors. So the nice thing about GIMP is that it's going to select all the areas of the same color. Now we are going to draw the actual border lines. So we open the edit menu here, and we scroll down to stroke selection. In the upper part, we look at stroke line here. We're going to choose solid color, check anti-aliasing here, and we make sure the line is, we want the line that's going to be 2 pixels. That's going to be enough for this color, but you can adjust this, the line width. And we click on stroke, and bingo, all your white areas are selected with in red, drawn in red, right? So I'm going back to 100%. So you can see here the white area with the red border lines. So to stop the blinking, I go to select and I say none. Okay, and we're going to make it bigger so you can better see on the screen. So the white areas here are selected with red borderline. Now we are going to select other areas. So we're going to, when it's grayscale, you don't have to do every area, you can do every other area. That's going to be enough. So we go to select bicolor, and we click on the next, after next, gray, and we'll repeat the same thing here. We go to edit, stroke selection. We have made all our selections before: solid color, anti-aliasing, line width 2 pixels, stroke. Okay, there we are. Again, we go to select known, and you can see the grays area that have been bordered in red. Now we still have to do the black, and so we go to select bicolor, we click on the black color, we go back to edit and stroke selection, stroke, select known, and here we have our pictures. All the different areas of different colors have been bordered in red. Now you might be interested in removing all the background to draw your model. So this can be done by going here to select bicolor, and we click, for example, here on this light gray, and then we go click delete on our keyboard. Then we go to the next gray here, delete, next, delete, black, delete, and you have our image. The only thing that is left is the red borders. Now if you don't like this, there's nothing about it. You go to edit here and you do unclear, and you repeat this for each color. Unclear, unclear, there, and one more time. And here we have the original picture we had at the beginning, and we're gonna go to select known. So now here we have our picture with the red borders. Now note that that could be a nice thing to realize in Mosaic. You could do all the grayscale thing plus the red. That would make a pretty stunning mosaic also. So this is Frederic Lecut with Mosaic Blues in Headland, Alabama. If you like this video, please share it with your fellow and friends mosaicists. You can also subscribe to my YouTube Mosaic channel, which features more of this kind of technical mosaic videos. And you can also visit my Mosaic Blues, my new Mosaic Blues webpage here at www.mosaic-blues.com. Enjoy your mosaics.